Is your WhatsApp iCloud backup stuck on your iPhone? This can happen due to network issues, insufficient storage, or app glitches. Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix the WhatsApp iCloud backup stuck issue on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before doing anything else, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it off. Make sure to turn off VPN. Now, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Sync WhatsApp. First, open up the Settings app. Then tap on the Apple ID profile. After that, tap on iCloud. Next, tap on the See All. After that, scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Make sure to toggle it on. If you see it is toggled on, then toggle it off. And then turn it back on. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp storage and data. First, open up your WhatsApp. After that, tap on the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Next, scroll down. Then tap Storage and Data. After that, tap Manage Storage. Now, make sure to remove unwanted and large data from here. Solution 3. Free up the iPhone storage. Go to the Settings app on iPhone. Then tap General. Next, tap iPhone Storage. Remove unwanted large files or unused apps from here. Tap on the app you want to remove. Then tap on Delete app. Finally, tap Delete the app again. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 4. Clear WhatsApp cache. First, open up the settings. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone Storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. If you don't find the WhatsApp here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down, then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now, tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your WhatsApp iCloud backup stuck issue on your iPhone is solved now. So folks, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See ya.